What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update SDK version 000 fix and how we can fix this up if you're having this particular trouble. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, we just need to minimize this one, go over here, search for the run command and press enter. Now type ncpa.cpl and just press enter. And right now, once you press this, you'll be getting this. So select the Wi-Fi over here and go to the properties. Now from here, you have to select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, go to the properties. Fourth, use following DNS server, and here we have to give the following server, that is 88888884 and 4. Now this is what we have to type. So once you type these, you have to go for OK and you have to check. So this is the first step, whether that's going to fix the issue. You can check with this team. If you're still having the trouble, then we just need to make one simple thing. So if you have already installed the Rockstar Launcher, you're fine with it. But if you don't have Rockstar Launcher, you can download it from the web. But if you're already having the Rockstar Launcher like this, for me, I'm already having the Rockstar Games Launcher in my case. So what is the reason why I'm having this? The one reason is I'm missing one file in the Rockstar Game Launcher install directory. So what I need to do is I just need to go over here. Okay, let this complete loaded up. I have to go over here, right click and go for open file location. And I have to check where the game is, the Rockstar Game Launcher is installed. So if I check over here, as you can see, it is this PC, localdisk C, program files, Rockstar Games and Launcher. So I have to do the same. And this is the installation folder. And right now I need to check whether in the installation folder I'm having anything named social club, any folder named a social club, but I don't have any folders named the social club. And also I have to make sure where the game is installed, that is C program file Rockstar Games Launcher. So what I need to do is go to C, go to program files, go to Rockstar Games, and here I'm having the launcher. So first one, right click, go to show more options. First you have to change this one. I have to change this one to Rockstar Game Launcher, not just launcher. Change the folder name to Rockstar Game Launcher. Once you set this particular folder, try again, and if it's fine, you can just do this, and also just copy this particular folder. Okay, now we need to paste this particular folder over here. The social club should be pasted over here within the launcher install directory, and you have to check. So most probably after the social club is copied and pasted over here, you can just go back, and social club is available here as well. Just copy paste it in the launcher folder, and just go back to the game and you have to check. Next one is all about, we need to go over here, search for the run command and press enter. And this type, we need to type regedit. Just type regedit and press enter and go for yes. And this time we just need to go over here, expand this over here at the top. We have to just go over here. Okay, so I'll be showing you what we have to do. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here for H key local machine, expand this, go for softwares, then go to Microsoft, find Microsoft, then find folder named Windows, keep scrolling down and navigate to folder named Windows. So just expand this, then we have to go for current version, expand the folder named current version, then go to in the current version over here, just select the folder named current version. So you'll be having a folder named program files dir. So over here we have a folder named program files dir. Right click on this one, and we can right click, and right now the program files dir, the value data is C program files. Now what we need to do is just right click on both. If this is program files dir, as you can see, it is program file x86. So make sure that you remove the x86 and you have to save it. Once after you saved it, just close everything over here and go back and check with the game, and you'll not be having the trouble. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.